Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Here's how to add a specific amount of money to your Steam wallet so that you can easily buy games and other items. So first, go ahead and log into your Steam account. In the top right corner of the screen, click on your account name. From the menu that appears, select account details. Now go to the section of store and purchase history and select add funds to your Steam wallet. Now go ahead and choose an amount. Press an add funds option. Then select your payment method like PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, American Express card, and all. If you want to save your payment information for the next time, check this box, then tap on continue from the bottom and follow the on-screen instructions, then tap on continue again and complete your transaction. And to confirm your funds have been added, check the top right corner of the Steam interface where your balance is shown. You can tap on your name, then select View My Wallet, and your balance will be displayed here. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.